Hey guys, I decided to braid my hair this weekend and it wasn't really a busy weekend, but it's not like I didn't have anything to do. So it's Sunday and now it's like almost 8 o'clock, but I did my hair, and because I don't really do hair as much as I used to, I've gotten a lot slower at braiding, but I only spent 3.5 hours doing my hair. I started at 3:45 and by 7:15 I was done. My hair was dipped and dry and everything. So this has got to be the fastest I've ever braided my hair. And my braids don't even, like, there's not that many of them, but it doesn't look like it's just a little bit of braids to me. Like, it still seems really full, but it's not so full, and the braids are not so big that I'm not able to put them in styles. Like, I can still put them in a ponytail. You know, sometimes when the braids are so big, you're not able to put them in a ponytail, not really do styles with them, and that kind of defeats the purpose to me. But I'm so excited that it did not take me any time, like, at all, and I'm not tired. I still can take care of some things around the house this evening, and I just want to show y'all how I was able to very quickly get my braids done. So I'll be able to wear these for a few weeks, and if you want to know what I did to do these braids this quick and look this good, keep on watching. I have been braiding for like 2 hours, which is no time, and I have 19 braids so far, and I am over halfway done with my head, which is crazy because in the past it's taken me anywhere from like 6 to like 16 hours to braid my hair. Like, I'm just probably never doing really small braids again because it just doesn't make any sense. So far I have used 4.5 packs of hair. I do have number 4, 27, and 30. Those are my normal colors. Making sure that I feather the ends a little bit. That's something that I kind of regret not cutting the hair because I don't think I want it full length, but I might end up leaving it full length because, you know, once I cut it, especially with them being so large, it's probably going to unravel. So I don't know. Yesterday I used Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I think it's their smoothie. And so I'm just adding some Echo Style Gel. Actually, I have the older version, so it's still Echo Styler. So I have Echo Styler Gel with Argan Oil. I'm just putting that at the root and then at the ends.
I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh.
Of course, the first braid I do on camera, the hair gets tangled. It has not been tangling at all. This hair is very, very soft. So I don't know what's happening.
We'll be running side by side till we cross the finish line. Oh, the love we have is real, and in time your heart will heal. Since there's no sunshine, just thunder it.
Once I get towards the end of my natural hair, I make sure that I go a little bit slower so that my hair does not stick out at the end. Sometimes I add more gel.
Side by side till we cross the finish line. Oh, the love we have is real, and in time your heart will heal. Since there's no sunshine, just thundering in the sky. Oh, let's go running in the rain. Got me singing, oh.
hair for the next few weeks. I'm so excited because I really need a break from my hair, and this is going to give me so much extra time in the morning. Let me know what you think down below. Also check out my playlist for my other braid videos on how I wash and style my box braids. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll talk to y'all soon. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.